Hey everyone, Eric Wooldridge here, Professor of Additive Manufacturing at Somerset Community College and Director of the AMC for KCCS. And what I have behind me, of course, is a dozer and a nice little open field, which is going to be the site for Kentucky's very first concrete 3D printed house. We wanted to show you, just take a few moments to kind of show you the process, and as we get into it, we're going to try to begin the excavation this week. That's what the dozer's here for. It will be cutting off the topsoil of the site, and then we'll follow through with a backhoe excavator to actually dig out the trenches for our turn-dab slab foundation. So we wanted to show you the conventional side to the process. It's a lot of the same things that we do with any type of house to get the foundation ready before we bring the printers in and print with our partners on the site itself. So it's a very exciting time. We're going to try to get this in before the rain kicks in this week, see some of the processes that go into this, work on the precisions that we need to address so that the foundation is ready for the printer as much as possible, especially when it comes to dimensional accuracy. So a lot of opportunities to learn, obviously some opportunities for things to go wrong and to learn from. So it's going to be a very exciting time for all of us. So as always, thanks for watching, and we look forward to showing you the results of this and other things we have going on. And check us out. Let us know if you have any questions. We'll see you.